Hello everybody, another board came in. This is from Decor, I believe oven. Yeah, it looks like an oven board. Let's see what it's all about. That's an easy board. Just want to put the part number in the system and see if this board is available and what can I find on this. Okay, so part number is SF5901-D2377. Okay, so this is a stove controller, and this is from a Decor. It looks quite different because I think this part that I have in my table, on my table, is obsolete. Yeah, I think it's no longer available. It's a singular oven. Yep, that's the one. Let's see, somebody repairing them for 125 bucks Canadian. That's pretty good. This board looks like, oh, it's just a shadow. Okay, so visual inspection, like I always do. All the capacitors looks good, the transformers looks good, those relays, everything seems to be okay. We have one bad relay, I can tell right here. This is the bigger relay. It's the main power relay, and this is where the issue is. The part number is T9A-V1D22-12. This is an easy repair. All what I have to do is swap this relay and then send it back to the customer. There's only 4 points here, and then I think I might have this relay in stock. If not, I know that those relays are quite available anywhere. I don't think it's a major component. Let's see if I can find one. They might be those ones. Let's see. Yeah, T9AS1. Oh, it's V1 D2212. Yeah, that should work. That's the one. The only difference with this one is that no, this is the same thing. Actually, yeah, the only different letter is this one is AS and this one it's V1, but the relay is completely the same. And this looks like a brand new relay, which is amazing. I actually had it, I think it's the last one. This one, yeah, and this one is used. This one's brand new. Awesome. So I can start the work right away and I can ship it back to the customer. I have a few boards I have to do today. Actually, no, I have a few boards I have to send them out. I'm just gonna do this one really quick, and then this should be ready for shipment. So all what I do, I just remove the relay, clean it up really good, and then put it all back. You can see it's burned out on this side, this leg right there. And now I'm gonna take it out and put the new one back in. I need to order some more supplies. I have to order those tweaks. I think there's only 2 left, and more maybe flux, we'll see. Or maybe flux, no, flux I have enough, I think. Let's start removing the relay. This is from a Singular oven. The brand of the oven is, it's a wall oven, but it's like a single wall oven, so just one unit. It's not a double oven. And then parts no longer available from what I can see. Okay, so this relay is out, and definitely you see that this leg is burned completely, and there is also a crack in there. So yeah, this relay is garbage. What I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this really nicely on this side and clean it on this side, put this relay back, and then ship it out today. I have to ship few boards. I have like I think 3 boards that I have to ship. I have to do it all today because I'm it's a little bit tied up with other things, and I'm just trying to get everything out of my way. Okay, so now this leg is a little bit crooked, so let me just straighten the leg out. Perfect. And now this relay is going back right here. So as always, a little bit of flux. And that's the bad leg, so I have to fill it up with a little bit more flux until it sits all the way in. Perfect. Just want to make sure it's all in. That's a good joint. Awesome. Now we're gonna go to the next one. That's a good one. That's 2. And that's it, guys. This is how you fix a control board with the bag relay. Part number is T98 S1D 22-12. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.